First problem, if cos so plus I sin 2 alpha into cos 2 beta plus I sin 2 beta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, then what is the value of theta? Find the value of theta. So given that here cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha into cos 2 beta plus I sin 2 beta is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. And already we know that the formula for cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to cis theta. Now what is cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha? This is cis 2 alpha into cos 2 beta plus I sin 2 beta is equals to cis 2 beta is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta means this is cis of theta, which implies, and already we know that cis of alpha into cis of beta is equal to cis of alpha plus beta. By applying that formula here, this becomes cis of 2 alpha plus 2 beta. So cis of 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to cis theta. Therefore the value of theta is equals to 2 alpha plus 2 beta. That is theta is equals to 2 into alpha plus beta. That's all. Next problem, if x plus iy is equal to cis alpha into cis beta, then what is the value of x square plus y square? So first we are given that x plus iy is equals to cis alpha into cis beta. X plus iy is equal to cis alpha into cis beta, which implies x plus iy is equals to, what is cis alpha into cis beta? Cis of alpha plus beta, which is the formula. Cis of alpha into cis of beta is equal to cis of alpha plus beta, which implies x plus iy is equals to, now taking the expansion of cis of alpha plus beta, that is cos alpha plus beta plus I sin alpha plus beta. Now this is x plus iy value, but we want the value of x square plus y square. Now applying the modulus, that is mod x plus iy is equals to mod cos of alpha plus beta plus I sin alpha plus beta. Now what is mod x plus iy? Mod x plus iy is equals to square root of x square plus y square. Modulus value, modulus is equal to root over x square plus y square. So now this is equal to square root of real part whole square plus imaginary part whole square, that is cos square alpha plus beta plus sin square alpha plus beta, and sin square alpha plus beta plus cos square alpha plus beta is equal to 1, which implies root over x square plus y square is equals to root 1, and now squaring on both sides, then we get x square plus y square is equals to 1, which is the required answer. Next problem, if z2 by z1 where z1 not equals to 0 is an imaginary number, then find the value of modulus 2z1 plus z2 by 2z1 minus z2. So given that z2 by z1 is an imaginary number means it is purely imaginary, means it has no real part. So first we are taking the given condition. So here the given condition is z2 by z1 is imaginary number. So imaginary number means it contains no real part, that is it contains only the imaginary part. So let me take that value is equals to I. So let z2 by z1 is equals to I, which implies the value of z2 is equals to I into z1. Now we want the value of modulus 2z1 plus z2 by 2z1 minus z2. Now we are taking that value here, modulus 2z1 plus z2 by 2z1 minus z2 is equals to modulus 2z1 plus z2. What is z2 value? IZ1 by 2z1 minus IZ1. Again z2 is equals to IZ1. Now taking z1 common from the numerator and denominator, z1 into 2 plus I by z1 into 2 minus I equals to, now mod 2 plus I by mod 2 minus I. Now finding the square root of 2 square plus 1 square, 4 plus 1 by square root of 2 square plus minus 1 whole square, 4 plus 1. Now this is root 5 by root 5 is equals to 1. Therefore mod 2z1 plus z2 by mod 2z1 minus z2 is equals to 1. That's all. Next problem, simplify minus 2i into 3 plus I into 2 plus 4i into 1 plus I and obtain the modulus of that complex number. So given question is simplify the given complex number. Simplify the given complex number means we have to change the given complex number in the form of x plus iy. So first we are taking the given complex number as z, that is z is equals to minus 2i into 3 plus I into 2 plus 4i into 1 plus I. Now taking the product of the numbers here, first we are multiplying the first two complex numbers, that is minus 6i minus 2i square into, next taking the product of the remaining two complex numbers, that is 2 plus 4i plus 2i plus 4i square. And this is equals to minus 6i plus 2, I square is equal to minus 1. 2 plus 6i minus 4, I square equal to minus 1. And this is 2 minus 6i into 6i minus 2. Now again taking the product, 12i minus 36i square, 6i into 2, 12i, 6i into 6i, minus 36i square, minus 4, minus of minus plus 12i. Now this is equals to 12i plus 12i, 24i plus 36 minus 4, I square minus 1, minus of minus plus 1. Now this is 32 plus 24i. Now this is the value of z. Now the simplified form of the given complex number is 32 plus 24i. Now equals to, taking 4 common from these two terms, 4 into 8 plus 6i. Now this is the value of z, and what is the modulus of that complex number? Modulus means mod z is equals to mod 4 into 8 plus 6i, and this is equals to 4 into square root of 8 square plus 6 square, that is 64 plus 36, and this is 4 into root 100 is equals to 4 into 10 equals to 40. That's all. Next problem, if rz1 bar and rz2 are pi by 5 and pi by 3 respectively, then find the value of rz1 plus rz2. So given that rz1 bar is equal to pi by 5 and rz2 is equal to pi by 3, now we want the value of this term. So first we are taking the given terms, given values here, given that rz1 bar is equals to pi by 5 and rz2 is equal to pi by 3. So rz1 bar is equals to pi by 5 means rz1 is equal to minus pi by 5. So rz1 bar is equal to pi by 5, then z1 is equal to minus pi by 5. Now we want the value of rz1 plus rz2. Therefore rz1 plus rz2 is equals to rz1 value minus pi by 5 plus rz2 value pi by 3. Now taking 15 LCM, minus 3 pi plus 5 pi, and this is equals to 2 pi by 15. That's all.